Now in this technique, we call this the palm muting. The palm muting. Now this is how we use the palm muting technique. You fold your hand, you fold it, right? Then you bring, you bend your hand like this. Bring down your hand and bend it a little, and you strike it. While striking it, the tip of your finger here, right, is closing the rest of the strings down. It's closing the string like this, right? So you just keep your hand like this, then you close it, and you close your hand, right, and you just bend it a little. So while you strike it, so you see it's giving you that percussive kum 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 kum, right? So that is the idea. It's called the palm muting, right? So right, you can just use your thumb. So like I said, first of all, what you just do is you make your hand come like this, right? Then you close it, then you fold your hand a little and bend it in a way you feel comfortable, right? And use your thumb. While using your thumb here, the string here behind is still closed, right? You muted it, you muted here. Here, the tip of your finger here is actually closing down here, right? So you strike any string you want to strike, right? So that's actually what we call the palm muting. So you can just so you see how it works, right? It have this percussive feel it gives, right? So that is it, right? So I'm actually using my index to just pick it. So first of all, what I want you to do is just try using your thumb, right, to pick your note. It's actually very simple. So before you actually start using your index to help the thumb, right? So that is just how the palm muting technique works. So like I said, you close it, close your hand, bend your hand a little and bend it in a way you feel comfortable, and you pick your strings, right? Then you pick and play your notes. So that is what we call the palm muting technique.